What's the meaning of Anchorman? Anchorman. 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 Anchorman.
Anchorman refers to the person who is the primary news presenter in a television or radio broadcast. Typically, this person is responsible for introducing and delivering on-air news stories, conducting interviews with guests and experts, and reporting breaking news events as they occur. The term anchorman is often used to describe a male presenter, although many news programs now feature both male and female anchors. Overall, the role of an anchorman is critical to the success of any news program, as they must be knowledgeable, articulate, and